Welcome to this quick guide on how to delete your last day history on Google Chrome for PC. If you've been browsing and want to clear your tracks from the last 24 hours, follow these simple steps. First, open your Chrome browser. You can do this by clicking on the Chrome icon on your desktop or searching for it in your Start menu. Once it's open, look at the top right corner of the window. Next, click on the three dots located at the top right corner. This will open a drop-down menu with several options. From here, you'll want to hover over the History option and then click on History again from the submenu that appears. This will take you to a new tab displaying all of your browsing history. Now, look to the left side of this new tab. You will see an option labeled Delete Browsing Data. Click on this option. A new window will pop up, allowing you to manage what data you want to delete. In this window, you'll need to check the box next to Browsing History. This ensures that only your browsing history is selected for deletion. Next, focus on the Time Range drop-down menu. Click on it and select Last 24 hours. This setting allows you to specify that you only want to delete history from today. Finally, after making sure everything is set correctly, go ahead and click on Delete Data. This action will remove all browsing history from the last 24 hours, helping you maintain your privacy and keep your browser clean. And that's it. You've successfully deleted your last day history in Google Chrome. Remember, regularly clearing your browsing history can help improve your privacy and keep your browser running smoothly. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.